back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I have a tip on how to app smash. We're going to use Seesaw and we're going to use ChatterPix. Now what I love about this is it's going to give me the opportunity to take something that I normally would put in the hallway as a project and add a little piece of technology. Add a QR code to where that project actually gets to talk to me. So what I've done is I went into the hallway and I found a project that the kids used and I brought it into ChatterPix. Okay, now we've already done a video about ChatterPix. If you don't know how to use that one, go ahead and watch that other video. And what I've done is I used ChatterPix and I have that project talk. Just took a picture of it, drew the line, and had it talk. Now, once it's talked, what I've done is I put it into Seesaw. So let me show you in my Seesaw. So inside of Seesaw, we're going to pretend that we're John. Okay, so John has taken a picture of this project, drawn a line, and had that project talk. Okay, then he added that video into Seesaw. So here's that video in Seesaw. This is my gingerbread man. Okay, but what I want to do is I want to be able to have other people see this that are not part of the Seesaw. So what I'm going to do is inside of my Seesaw as the teacher, the 3 dots right underneath that project, if I touch those 3 dots, I get a print with QR code. If I print with QR code, it's going to print off a piece of paper that has the picture of the project and a QR code. And it's going to look something like this. Now you print it off in black and white. You don't have to have the picture. You can just use the QR code. And now as a teacher, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those QR codes out in the hallway with the kids' project. So now they have a project in the hallway and an extra piece that if any teacher, parent, or even students with an iPad or a camera phone that uses a QR code reader, they can scan that QR code and it's going to bring up a video that looks something like this. All right, so now I'm in the hallway and let me show you what this would look like if you use your camera phone or your iPad camera. So let me turn this around. So here's the project that the kids made. And as you can see, there's a QR code. When I get close to it with the camera, it pops up. When I touch it, here comes the video. This is my gingerbread man. It represents me and my family. It is a bow tie because I am a boy. It has 3 buttons because I have... All right, so as you can see, that pulled it up, but it didn't pull up anything else in Seesaw, just that one project. So it's important to know that this only gives access to that one thing. It doesn't give people access to the entire Seesaw catalog, just that one video or the one picture that that QR code is attached to. Now I love this idea because imagine being able to let kids make projects or writing or things in the hallway that when you scan that QR code, if it's a writing, maybe it brings up a audio recording of that kid reading the story to you. Or maybe it's a project about the presidents, and when you scan the QR code of the project about the president, it opens up and that president project is now telling you about Abraham Lincoln or telling you about the presidents. The ideas for this can be endless. So use that creativity you have as a teacher, and I'd love to see what you're doing. Thanks for tuning in.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.